She was the mind behind the women's casual workwear. This is the story of Anne Klein.
She opened her first store with her first husband, Ben Klein, under the name Anne Klein. Like Frances Coco Chanel, Anne was the first to adapt the style of men's wear into the way outfits of women were designed. Her most prominent early collection and up to this day was her separates, and her concepts is a fully coordinated closet. In 1973, Anne competed in the Battle of Versailles, an international fashion show held in France to fund the restoration of King Louis XIV's palace. As the sole woman on the team, Anne's forward-thinking design approach and collection of modern separates clinched the team's victory over their European counterparts. This unexpected accolade positioned America as a global leader in fashion and firmly established Anne as a visionary designer who shaped the way modern women dress today. In 1974, a year after such a big achievement, Anne Klein, only 50 years old, died of breast cancer. But her legacy lived on and stronger than ever to this day.